This is CP233 PA 14.7. My subroutine is called accum, short for accumulator. Essentially what the subroutine does is it imports a value from port hex 24. If that value is less than 50, it'll go add it to an accumulator register. In this case, my accumulator register is register 0. This subroutine performs this action until the accumulator overflows. This overflowing is checked from compare with compare and BRCC. The number of additions before the subroutine made before the overflow is placed in register 20. Yeah, so here we go and assemble. I'm going to step into my subroutine. I'm going to push register 0 and register 1 to save them. I'm going to initialize my accumulator or my counter register 20 and my accumulator register 0. I'm going to input a value. Let's just start with a high value so we don't have to repeat this process too much. I will do hex 30. I'm going to add that value to register 0, the destination register, and then I'm going to increment my counter to show that I added 1 time. So essentially I'm adding 1 to my register 20, my counter register, to show that I incremented once. I compare the registers, or register 0, my accumulate value, with hex 32, which is equivalent to binary value of 50. The compare instruction generates a carry or Z flag accordingly. Since I'm comparing hex 30 with hex 32, there is a carry flag, therefore the next instruction, BRCC, does not jump to the done label, since it would only jump to the done label if the carry is cleared. That's what CC is, carry cleared. Because it doesn't jump to the carry cleared, it goes on to the next instruction. Now input that same value again, hex 30. As you can see in these registers up here, register 0 has the accumulation value. I'm going to add that again, accumulates again to hex 60, and then I'm going to increment register 20 again to show that I've done this process 2 times. I'm going to compare the values again. Now obviously register 0, which is hex 60, is much larger than hex 32, which is the compare value, or 50 in binary. So because of that, there is no carry flag. The carry flag is cleared, and that means that the BRCC instruction will jump to done. There we go, it's in done, and I will pop out register 1, register 0 to finish the push, or to finalize the push instructions that were in the beginning of the subroutine. And then I will exit the subroutine. Now if I want, I could repeat this process since I'm at branch main. If I go on with that, it just goes back to the call, and I could step into it again and repeat.